Hey guys, and welcome back. Got a new truck from Hosim here today. I think this is called X07W. So it's a really nice truck actually, a 110 scale on the smaller side. Might be more of a 112 scale to be honest, but it's a really nice little basher. And I'm quite excited about this actually because this has oil-filled shocks from the factory, which is really nice. And some bigger sized battery, not the old like tiny ones that used to come with the Hosim trucks. So I'm going to take this out of the box and we'll have a closer look. So here we have it. It's rather heavy actually, but it's a really nice solid basher. At least it feels really solid. My first impression when I unboxed this. Got really nice compounded tires, much nicer than the previous ones. Feels like this should provide more grip, and they seem to be glued to the rim. Also got this cool body, the body pins that's attached with a little strap, rubber strap like this, which I really like. Initial impressions, good job Hosim. This gets delivered with a pretty basic transmitter. Got some rubber on the steering wheel, some trimming options. Sits all right in the hand. Feels like it's possible to drive one-handed. So nothing to complain about there really. Gets delivered with two of these batteries, 2600 milliamp 2S LiPos 25C discharge, and as I mentioned, finally some oil shocks from Hosim. I recently featured this one, which is also called a 110 scale. I think they're pretty similar in wheelbase, yeah. And this comes with much harder tires and super bouncy friction shocks, and it's pretty slow on 2S. 3S was much better though. Actually some decent speed on 3S. But back to the X07W. So I'm going to take the body off and we'll have a look what's hiding underneath the body on this one. Just to give you an idea of the size, I'll put my hand here. So it's a decent sized basher. Still possible to fit it in your backpack if you want. So this comes with a 3300 kV brushless motor, 45 amp ESC combined with combined ESC receiver, and a metal gear servo, which got 6 kilograms of torque. Got a metal servo saver, really beefy steering links. Got metal metal CVDs front and rear. The shocks feel really thick and nice. The oil seems to be of the thicker kind, so yeah, this actually feels really nice. I'm excited about this, and as I mentioned earlier, rubber compound feels excellent as well. Got the honeycomb chassis, and let's see, Philips hardware, unfortunately. I think it's Philips throughout. Yeah, Philips hardware. Wheelie bar, which should be necessary actually, because they claim this to be able to hit 40 miles per hour plus or 68 kilometers per hour, and I would guess that's on 3S battery. We'll have a look at that. Obviously, I'll see if I can find a suitable 3S. And yeah, got LEDs in front, lots of outlets available on the ESC. Got a free wire, so of course I forgot to mention that. And yeah, the battery tucks away real nice in there, and you got this extra strap as well if you need that, and got some other extras as well. I don't know where I put them, but the standard Hosim stuff. But yeah, solid basher by the looks of it, and I'm excited to give this a test run. These are not adjustable, so I don't know, the toe in is a bit off. But yeah, not much more to say about this inside. I'm going to give this a proper test run with the GPS, and hopefully a test run on 3S as well. Kind of like the body. Looks pretty cool. Reminds me a bit of a bigger brand. See how well the Lexan holds up. Yeah, I don't think there's much more to say. It's metal geared, of course, as you can hear. And the transmitter takes 4 AA batteries. So yeah, I'm going to fit some AA batteries, charge the batteries, and we are going to head out and give this a test run. So I'm finally about to do a test drive with this one. I've had it for a couple of months, I think, since I did the unboxing part. Finally outside with it. It's a lot colder now. Some ice. So I'm probably just going to drive it on 2S battery today, but should still get some decent speed. I did some just checks on the bench, tested the throttle, and yeah, it's a lot of power in this. So yeah, it's going to be fun. So start off with a little top speed test, and then we'll see if we can hit some jumps and stuff, some bumps, and yeah, just have some fun with it. So I've got the GPS fitted. Definitely feels like it's got a lot of torque, nice acceleration. But on a stock 2S, I'm not expecting too much out of it. Max like 50 kilometers per hour. So we'll see. I'm just going to turn that around and head full throttle into the camera, and it's super stable. And really slow. So let's just check the GPS. 41 kilometers per hour. Even slower than I expected, but it should be quite decent on a 3S battery. But it's a lot of torque, so it's fun just like driving around like this, hits and jumps with it. It's really stable, so it should handle 3S and a lot higher speeds without any major issues. I still got the protection film on the body. Well, I don't want to scratch that up. Feels really stable. And regarding that top speed, it's important to keep in mind that it's the stock battery, which isn't great. See if we can get out of there. No. The oil sharks really do a great job absorbing all the uneven bumps and stuff. Whoop. Not the best jump here, but missed it. Let's try once more. Ooh. Should be a lot of fun on the track, probably. See, it's definitely enjoyable. Bit expensive, maybe, but it feels like solid quality. So definitely the best one I've tried from Hosim this far. So let me know in the comments what you think about this one. Are you going to buy it? And yeah.